stock item. First, open Masters and go to the inventory, then to the stock item section. Here, products are referred to as stock items. Click Create Item to open a new page where you can enter product details. For example, to create a product named pen, type pen in the name field. If you have an item code or barcode, you can add those as well. You can select a category if available. For example, stationery. If no category is chosen, the product will be added to the default primary stock category. A brand selection option is also available. If you need to create a new brand or category, you can do so from here. There is an option to select the go down where the product is created. You can also select the tax percentage applicable. You can specify whether the item is goods or service. Some units are already created. If you need a new unit, you can create it here. Select an already created unit. You can specify if the tax is inclusive or exclusive. If applicable, you can connect other units through an alternative unit option. Indicate if the product is a raw material or manufacturing item with a yes or no choice. Set the product's MRP and selling price. For example, if the cost is ₹7 and you want a 10% or 100% margin, the selling price can be auto-calculated here. For additional information, click Additional Details. If batch number is provided, options for manufacturing date and expiry date become available. If the product requires IMEI or serial number tracking, select Yes. You can upload a product image by selecting a file. Images can be deleted if needed. You can also enter opening stock and add notes. After completing all details, click the Create button. The product will be successfully created. All created products will be listed in the stock item page. Options to view, edit and delete each product are available here.